Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my second non-foaming blade in a really long time. Alright, let's see what we have here. Go. This is the VQ 1.5 meter P-47 Thunderbolt, and this one is the HAIRLESS Joe library, the camo with a yellow tail and red nose. Right? Let me prepare everything, and I will come back to you in a moment. Alright, here we are. First of all, as usual, remember I always take out the sticky tape, dangerous for finishing. We have first thing the manual, the decals for the nose art, numbers, and this one I think goes on the wings. Let's take a look. We have this must be for the walkways, dark gray and light gray. What about the manual? Okay, here's the different powers. 46 to 50, 2 cycle, 72 to 82, 4 cycle. Actually, I'm planning to go with maybe a 20cc 4 cycle. No, actually 2 cycle, right? Very detailed one. Very similar to the Phoenix, right? Because they know each other very well. All right. Cowling and everything. My plan is to put 3 tracks, so okay. My favorite P-47 is a Razorback, but I already have one. MS, that is, by chance, is the same size, exactly the same size on this one. I plan to use the 3 tracks. Other parts from the same one. Okay. Let's see, get the fuselage first. Stay everywhere as it should be, because this is a for export plane that not even the guys from Vietnam can buy locally. Right, this is mainly for export. If they want to buy, actually they need to buy it outside Vietnam. Alright. I know, because I asked a friend of mine over there to see if I can get, say no, I cannot get any of these things. Alright. Okay, let's open it from the front. Here we go. It's very light. The fuselage is very light. Balsa and plywood. Very nice. I'll identify P-47. The cockpit is fixed. Nothing to do with the cockpit. The pilot is not bad. It's actually quite accurate, right? It's a pity I cannot access to this one to do something, but I have you have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to take out, and maybe you can do some detailing inside, put a secondary gun sight or protector there. But it's really nice. The fairings are vacuum plastic. The engine mount is wood. Right, there's the cowling mounting blocks. This you can see we have 1, 2, 5 mounting blocks. The tubes for the control rods are already there in place. You just need to put it in place and glue it. This one comes with fixed tail landing gear with simulated gear doors, right? Yeah, I think not much to do here, right? That's the you're always a disadvantage of wood models. There is not much you can modify, right, without risking the model. That's the fuselage. What else? Here are the feathers. This is the tail with the spine as this model, right? Later model, I think they lose the spine, right? It's just flat, except this one is nice because this one is with the ribs, so simulating the fabric. Unfortunately, the ribs are not in the same position than the printed rivets, but okay. At least you can see, yeah, only one only this one is on the side of the rivets. What do we have here? Very much tape. Right. Okay, this seems to be the belly of the beast, right? The belly of the beast plus some this is the simulated dummy in the radial, the trimming for the wheels, and one bomb, right? But I don't care about this one because, as I mentioned, I already have the bombs and other details on the other one. These are the exhaust stacks. This one, I don't know what is this. This is the hard points. Lots of tape. Okay, this is the stabilizer. Also, this one is all structured. I mean, it's covered, all ribs, and this time the ribs are exactly on the rivet, so it's going to look scale. Now, the last part of the everywhere. Are the wings. Nice. All together, you have to cut a little bit. Take out the one with the divider. Okay, this plane has been in the market for quite some time, right? But this is one of the latest batches. Here we have, alright, you have two options for servo, small servo 9 gram or full size servo. I'm planning to use at least full size is one, and I'm planning to use 17 gram here to make sure. The covering is nice. You have some holes here. The machine guns are not here, but we can add that thing. I think it's in the parts already pre-hinged and glued. Same with the flaps. The flaps are nice, full flaps, not very much of a movement. This is the maximum angle. It's okay. I think this is for takeoff, but I think I don't need takeoff flap on takeoff. This one. Two possible positions for the control hole, I think. Or is this one? No, this is control hole. All right. Very nice wing. The covering is nice, pre-printed. Has a okay, not all the rivets, but some rivets at least. This, remember, this is kind of a sports scale airplane. It's not going to win any Top Gun or anything. Alright. Let's see. This is the last bit. Alright, here we have the cowling and the accessories. Here we have, let's go for the accessories first. It looks like a 250cc tank. Built-in filling vent. We have the engine mounts. We have the wheels, tail wheel, hardware, and all the stuff we need. Let's take a look at the car. Here we have blocks for the retracts if you want to use fixed retracts, and the accessories for the leg covers. These are the leg covers. I want to see the covering. Oh, the cowling is quite beautiful. It's fiberglass. Fiberglass. The shape is okay. It's good. And quality is good. No damage. Everything looks really nice. All right. Let's try these. Right. For comparisons, you see, this is the retract unit for the P-47 from FMS. I bought this one from a friend who crashed it maybe after 2 flights, because the plane has some issues. So the wheels look much bigger than the stock wheels, but the planes are practically same scale. This one is 1480 mm, the one is 1500. So depending on the space in the wing, I will be able to use this one. If not, I will have to, unfortunately, I will have to modify it a little bit. You see, the retract is okay, but the leg is longer on this one. Okay, let's see how can we solve this issue, or I will have to get a different strut for this one. Okay guys, this is all. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. This is going to be with the 20cc 2-stroke. 20cc? I think it's too much. Yeah, 20cc, because it's 1.2. Yeah, probably I'm going to get that one, or I will get the either a DLE 17cc or NGH 18cc, if I can get one. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and keep posted, so you will see when I can make in this plane. Take care, bye.